everyone, welcome back to my sorry, I had to sneeze. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Minecraft. We are on the Lifeboat server, and we are going to be building a small snow biome house. So I think we should grab spruce. We should grab some snow. I think dark oak would be good. We're kind of going with a dark woods kind of theme. Is there prismarine slabs? Right. What? Dark. Is there no prismarine? Are you telling me that they don't have any prismarine blocks? They removed the prismarine blocks. Are you serious? I'm gonna check out the slabs for the roof. Slab. So those are all my options of slabs. I'm gonna go with smooth stone slabs. Those might look good. So we'll start building our house. Like I said, this is gonna be a small house, but not small enough so you can't just, you can put nice stuff in here. So I guess it is a bit of a big house, but it's not a really big house, It's just kind of a house you would build to start off. A start-off house you're expecting to spend a long time in. Because for me, I usually build a nice house because I know I'm going to probably be in it a long time. Then I would, do all the stuff, and then once I do all the mining stuff, I would go back up to the surface with a bunch of wood and make all of the nice houses. So I nearly have the bloody frame done. If I finish this house quicker than I anticipated, I might do like a cool... Never mind. I'll kind of just do a snow-covered scaffolding. That'll be cool. That'll be really cool. So this is kind of what's gonna be happening. This is probably gonna look nice. I want it to look really nice. At the end of the video, I'll show you the coordinates. If you get on fast enough, you might be able to see it before it gets destroyed. I don't know if I already said this, I forgot. I'm building this on the Lifeboat network server, as it's my favorite server. I might use like a nice concrete design for the house. Yeah, I'm gonna do a scaffolding idea. Myself. Oh, that's the wrong block. It's the right block, never mind. 3-3. Okay, I made it even. Put that. And down. There, kind of like eyes. Then we'll fill this in with... So then we can do the stairings there. Why is it not doing it? So I'm gonna have to, instead of just placing the block over it, I have to break it, really. The only thing I do with like prismarine glass, I mean sea lanterns, I like put them under beds. So then they're kind of concealed. It's a bit messy. Just break this. I just want to even it out a bit. Place those there. Yeah, I think this is going well. Then we should fill in this. Sorry if this isn't such a good video. My tablet's low. I need to get something out because if I don't post a video now, I'm not gonna post a video later. I mean, it is only 5:30 when I'm recording this. I mean, I'm recording it the day it's posted because I post my videos the same day I record them. So there's no worries on that. Oops, I filled this in twice. Oh. Oh, right. Yeah. There, that should be in line with this. Now I just have to fill in the floor. Oh, concrete. Concrete. There's no concrete. Is there terracotta? I have to use terracotta. I mean, I could do a nice pattern with it, I guess. I have no clue what I'm gonna do. Oh, right, I have to break. What? I bet you we're not gonna be able to place a bed either. Like, I know we're not gonna be able to place a bed. That kind of annoys me. This isn't gonna be such a good house because I'm not just sticking to one color palette for the floor. I would usually stick to one color. I usually go for oak wood for the floor, but I wanted to kind of mix it up a bit, you know? Ooh, I just thought of a good idea. We're in a snowy place, right? So, ooh, I like this idea of mine. We fill this in to make it look like it's presents. The jack-o'-lantern will do, considering it's right there. Just putting those there so the ice melts for me. I mean, not ice, the snow. Oh yeah, that's a problem. Oh wait, no. I was just thinking. Oh wait, isn't bloody the lighting gonna be a problem? No, it's not gonna be snow inside. The snow's for something else. Boop, boop, boop. What the hell? Oh yeah, if you're living in this house, you might want to turn off clouds. Damn, the houses are uneven. Where am I? Sure. I mean, I'll just spread out. But then it doesn't look right. No, we're gonna have to live with it. Man, that's annoying. So, I mean, I made it centered so the doors are in the good places, in the places I like them to be. But I didn't make it big enough so that I could make it look like a nice present, but... Oh, wait. Well, no, because then it'd be too over there. Yeah, so sadly I messed that up a bit, but... Psh. We will use... Actually, white. I think white glass would be good for this, because it could be like, it's been it looks more whiter. It's more white than see-through because the snow. Good. Put those there. Boom. Turn this up because I almost there. Now we just have to. Will that look good? You know, glass over this bit. I'm wondering, will this look good when I place the doors?
What are you making, Bobby?
A house. Door. Oh, we don't need the jack-o'-lanterns. Hopefully this will look right. It doesn't, but I always have a solution for these things, and you guys already know what the solution is. Oh. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look as good, but I don't really care. Yeah, because if I was doing that, usually I'd do it like this, and then put the panes on. I like it, but I don't really care. Yeah. I would use a different door, but, you know, we're not allowed. It's kind of dumb, actually. Anyways, now let's get to work on the roof. Smooth. Oh, my phone's on 10%. This is why I chose. Oh my god, this video is 12 minutes. It's not short. I'm a doofus. I'm gonna cut back once I have more of the roof done. Okay, so I finished the roof. I did a slanted one. It doesn't look that. It looks terrible, but who cares? I care. I'm fixing it. Oops, didn't mean to break that one. That one's fine. Bing bong. And then, honestly, the slant's too big. That's really the problem, but I can't actually be bothered to fix it. I mean, there. I mean, yeah, my house is not good at all, but it's not finished yet. It's nearly finished. We just do the interior. Do the disguised scaffolding lift, if scaffolding is able to be used, which honestly I doubt. X'd out, you know. Yeah, this looks terrible, but I don't care. Oh, I know a way I actually know that doesn't work. I don't think it does. Probably does actually, but okay, so I'm going with one. Are you serious? And how's that? Oh, plant. Torch. We're gonna have to do the old torch method. Oh, someone's above me. Yeah, you go. Stay away from that house. You did something, didn't you? Did he do something? He did nothing. He spawned an ocelot. Why did he spawn an ocelot? Anyways, this is probably gonna be my longest video. So I'm thinking maybe on unlike these. That would be so cool, but instead we're doing this because Lifeboat is done. Dyed beds. There's purple dye. Come on, please. Are you serious? Someone's near me. Hello, sir. What are you doing to my house? Please leave. You're placing the wrong type of wood, but your bed could go there. Oh my god, it's automatically red. Oh, I have an idea. Hopefully there's stone walls. Yeah, there is. We got your stone slab. There's only the furnace, but we'll make do. Smoker. This would look a bit cooler with the smoker. You seeing what I'm getting at? There. Why did you destroy my doors? What are you at? This guy's weird and I don't like him. Oh, I know. We can't make the bed purple, so purple. You know. Yeah, this is what the Minecraft veterans would do. They would put the bed under the ground. What is he doing to my house? You'd put... Now, this is a Minecraft veteran tip from when there was no bed dying. Oh, no. No, get that bed out of here. You'd put the carpet here. Then white. You'd get yourself some white carpet. Like, only OGs would remember this. I could have just used snow. Yeah? Well, bam. There's your bed. You just gotta know where to click. Are we not able to sleep in beds? Yeah, I guess we're not able to sleep in beds. So, I thought you could dye beds, so I was using a normal bed. Pile it up more. You know, we all like our fluffy pillows. What? Oh, cloud. I was in a cloud. Right back. So now we get our crafting table. Crafting. Then, to make our house a bit more fancy, where is it? What's it called again? Right. I was thinking if there's any good blocks I could use. Stairs would be a good one. You could put your stair like this, this. Then, there's only the oak one, so this is not going to look as good as like a dark oak. You could... Excuse me? Are you for real? Oh, there you go. There. What are you doing? He's destroying my house. Yeah, just do. What are you doing? I'm so confused with him, but gonna put white carpet there. White carpet all along here. not white carpet there. We'll put stone pressure plate. Hopefully we're allowed to use a stone pressure plate. We're not allowed to use a stone pressure plate. Are we allowed pressure plates at all? Nope. Because that can be used to activate TNT, even though we don't have access to TNT. What could I use instead? Oh, there it is. We'll grab both and we'll test it out, because I don't know which one's better. Oh, I have it. I like that. I like that. Why? Stop. What is he doing to my arrows? Slash coords. Slash coords. Oh, right. Oh, right. Oh, yeah. Get pause. Okay, so yeah, we're at minus x225, y128. Where is he? What is he doing to my house? Is he left? Is Bobby J. Miller gone? His name's not Bobby J. Miller. Actually, yeah, his name's Bobby J. Miller now. Dude, why did he do stuff to my house? I bet you once he knows I'm gone, he's gonna come back and destroy it. Because I was being meanie. You know, I already know scaffolding's not there, so... Snow. Man, if only we had scaffolding. Like, I would have covered it all up in snow. And then I would have, it would have looked cool. Like, super duper cool. Actually, I already know we don't have water, but I'm gonna check anyways. We don't have anything we actually want. Never. Look. I mean, I think I know a way to get water. Oh, there actually. Oh my God, there's water. Okay, so you have to climb the mountain to get into the house, and you have to come here and just hope for the best. Leap into the darkness and hope for the best. Is he near my house? Nope. My house is perfectly safe. Yeah. Okay, so that was the terrible house video of me building bad house. Oh my. Great stairs. Great stairs. Absolutely legendary stairs. Dark. There it is. Dark oak stairs. Beep boop. Beep bop. 5%. I'm ending the video, so oh. There. This is the house. It's pretty bad. I didn't end up doing anything with the backyard. So these are the doors. Here's the little like kitchen section. I should add a chest with like food and stuff, but I'm not going to because I need to post this. There's a torch there, torch there, torch there, torch there. Our slanted roof, that looks terrible. Our bed is here, and there's I don't have a purple cat. Our bed's grey now. Your bed's grey. And here is the backyard. Do you want to know what's the best to do in your backyard? Build a snowman. it'll ruin the house, but it's worth it. Carve. They thought that true. Pump. Come on, please say you just need a pumpkin. I mean, there's jack-o'. Come on, come on, come on. Jack. Okay, okay. We have a jack-o'-lantern. Work. Are you serious? We can't even build us a pen. Transforming a dog? A doggy? Dog. I mean, wolf. Ah, are you real? Are you serious? So we would have to look for a wolf to bring home. Wait, so there's. Oh, right, yeah, you can't tame ocelots anymore. Anyways, this is the bad house video. Oh my god, this is 20 seconds. This is 20 minutes.